So if you don't know what mala beads are, they're these necklaces that you can get. This is one I actually made myself. So I used a necklace that my mom had gotten me from Hawaii, and it has seashells. And with mala beads, mala necklaces, you want to have 108 beads. So I went through and I counted to make sure that there were 108 seashells, and I actually cut the necklace because there was quite a bit more than 108 originally. And then I added a tiger's eye and then a wooden bead and some hemp at the end for the tassel, and I decided to braid my tassel. So you can make it in a unique way if you want, or you can buy one. So if you want to buy one instead of making one, I'll put links in the description, but I'll also tell you the point of it. So why do you want to get a mala necklace, or why do you want to use this? The purpose is to remind you to say mantras. So it's almost similar, if you're familiar with religion, of having a rosary or a necklace that you would pray with. With this, it's more about mantras, and it's not religious. It doesn't have to have any type of specific spiritual practice associated with it, other than to be repeating mantras or affirmations or something that's going to balance your energy and help you to feel good. So a mantra can be as simple as saying something like, I love and accept myself. And going through and placing your hands, you can start at this top one, this 109th bead. You can hold it and then place your hands on the first bead and say, I love and accept myself. And then you move to the next bead. I love and accept myself. Move to the next bead. I love and accept myself. Or it can be an I am statement. So an affirmation could be something like, I am creation. I am creation. And when you're saying that, you're tapping into that creative life force energy that exists all around us, knowing that we all are part of creation. We all are creation. And you could even do a mantra like in Sanskrit, there's tons of them. So one that I've really been repeating has been more of a song, and I find it's kind of long if I were to go through with the mala beads, but it's the Gayatri mantra, and it goes, Om Bhur Bhuva Svaha Tatsavitur Varenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Dio Yona Prachodayat. And so you can repeat something like that 108 times, but instead of using the mala beads for that, I actually just listen to it on audio and then I'll sing it. So throughout the day, because it can take about an hour and a half to go through something like that. So you can either find something that's really short, you can even say Om, and I'll make a separate video on the true meaning of the word and the sound Om. And once you fully understand it and grasp the understanding of this word, going through and repeating that 108 times can really help to balance you and restore this connection to this universal life flow that's all around us, and just saying Om, Om, Om. Or I made a video recently on the power of saying thank you and using thank you as a mantra. So you can go through and repeat thank you 108 times. Thank you, thank you, thank you. And if you don't want to say a mantra, it can even be a reminder to breathe. So you can go through and consciously take 108 breaths. So you can go through and just take an inhale and an exhale. Inhale and an exhale. So whatever form of healthy practice that you want to use your mala beads for, it can be really beneficial. It can also be for prayer or intention. It can be sending love to people, so you can go through each bead and send love to somebody, and be consciously going through 108 people in your life. That it's just like anyone that shows up. So it could be people that you have disharmony with. Sending them love. If you send love to people that you have disharmony with, you're gonna heal yourself just like that. Like sending love anywhere that there's disharmony heals. Love heals. That's the root of healing energy, is love. So even the mantra, I love, I love, I love. So I'd love to hear from you guys in the comments what some of your favorite mantras or positive affirmations are, what you might use your mala beads for, and what has been helping you along your journey. And give this video a thumbs up if you like it, and I'll see you next time. May you be happy, healthy, and free.